Okay, it's going to be a new workout for me today. We're going to end this workout with some flexibility, mobility, stretching, a little bit longer than I normally do for stretching. Very yoga inspired, kind of like a grow your flow cool down. So I'm aiming for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes of that. We'll see how the timing goes. You'll need one weight for your legs, two weights, a pair, same weight, for your upper body. And let's go. I would like you to pick something like, I don't know, oh gosh, it's going to be a tough one. Hip training, because we're going to do some timed workouts. It could be like a mixed cardio, it could be mixed training workout, functional strength workout. This workout's going to be a whole bunch. I'm picking cross training. We'll see what happens. I just want you to march it out for me, please. A nice steady minute of marching. We're also going to, my camera's a little bit crooked. I'm going to fix it. Give me a second. There we go. We're also going to be doing a slightly different warm-up. So I just want you to march out nice and steady for me. Lift those knees. I want you to build a nice set of heat in the body. Start sweating. Move those arms. Kind of feel your body out. That's it. March it out. Lift those knees. Pump it out, pump it out. Give me another 30 seconds. Can you speed it up a little bit? All right, really big movements for the last like 10 seconds. Excellent job. Beautiful. Legs on the ground. Big inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Good job. Big inhale. Exhale. Forward fold. Bend the knees. Roll all the way down. So keep facing me. I want you to have the legs a little wider than hips. Deep squat, butt up. So we're just going to do some mobility training here. At your own pace, up and down. Your legs as straight as you can handle. Up to you. Let your forehead hang down. Beautiful. Now everybody come down to squat. All right. Good. And then roll onto your knees, onto all fours. That's it. We're going to be doing some stretching on the ground. Taking that right leg forward. So we're going to go from hip flexor into hamstring. Moving in and out of the movement. At your own pace, whatever feels good. Wherever you want to hang out a little bit more. That's it. Good. Now we're going to take that right leg all the way back. So notice I move my hands to the inside, all the way back into a calf stretch. And then out to the side for a side stretch. And you're going to alternate between those two. Again, wherever you want to hang out, go ahead, take your time. Pay attention to how the body feels. Just getting some movement in. Beautiful. Back to all fours. So bring that right knee back to the ground. And I want you to cat-cow. So lift that chest, arch the pelvis up, and then round and release. Again, at your own pace, in and out of those two movements. So we're doing these dynamic stretches for the warm-up. Beautiful job. Now bring that left leg forward. Frame that left leg. Hip flexor into hamstring. In and out of that movement again. Make it as fluid as possible. As big a range as you can handle. Good. Pay attention to that body. Your own pace. That's it. Give me one more. And then we're going to bring the hands to the inside. Take that left leg all the way back. Calf stretch. Out to the side. Side stretch. Your own pace. What feels good? Pay attention to your body. And last time. Beautiful. Bring it back to all fours. All right, turn your fingers so they're pointing to the sides, left and right, and then just give me a nice rotation. And in the other direction. Lean into those wrists, those shoulders. Excellent job. Push back onto your feet. Good, and then roll forward into all fours. Warming up those ankles. Push back onto your feet. Deep primal squat, and then come forward onto all fours. Support your body, move your hands. Good, and we're gonna do that one more time. Push back into that primal squat. Hold it here for just a split second. Can you get your elbows to the inside of the knees, prayer arms? Beautiful. And then we're just gonna stand it up. Excellent, we're nearly done our warm up. Roll the shoulders. Good. Take them back. All right, nice job. All right, I want a nice, easy hustle right here. So we're gonna do a 5-minute cardio, all right? I want you to think about your own pace, yeah? So we wanna pump the arms and legs. What I want here is speed, really fast. 1 minute right here. Make sure you're moving the arms as well as the legs. That's it. Now zip the belly in. Just 5 minutes here. 30 more seconds. That's it. Pump it a little bit faster. Less than 15 seconds here. Now remember, I want you steady for the 5 minutes, okay? So there's no break within these 5 minutes. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, give me some jumping jacks. Any option of jumping jacks. Your feet together. What I really want is that the hands to touch over the head. So I want those hands to come below the heart and above the heart. 1 minute right here. That's it. Nice and steady. I want a big movement here now. I want to think range of motion. Keep going. Toy soldiers. 1 minute. Now I'd like your leg to come up to hip height and opposite hand touch the foot. Now I want you to combine speed and range of motion. That's it. Get it to hip height. Come on. 3rd minute, we only have 5. Come on. Nearly there. 3, 2, hit the ground, mountain climbers. You know how much I love these. Make sure your shoulders are over your wrists. Now I want you to think speed. That's it. Right to it. No wasting time. Minute 4. Make sure that butt is down behind the shoulders. Otherwise, a lot of work in the shoulder. We want to work some abs as well here. Come on. Keep going. Nearly there. Keep going. Speed. 10 seconds. Standing in 5, 4, 3, 2, up. Kick your butts. Make sure those heels come up behind you. Pump the arms and bring those heels up. Come on. Are those arms moving? Are your heels coming up? It's like a jog. It's your last 5 minutes. Come on. That's it. Push it, push it. "20 seconds. Can you go a little faster? And 1 minute break. Get something to drink, wipe. All right. We're heading to the legs. We have 3 rounds, 3 exercises, okay? The middle round is going to be the longest, and that's the round that we're going to incorporate the weight. First round and the third round, no weights. We're going to be doing some singles, we're going to be doing some isometrics, and we're going to be doing some really deep transitions. So we're going to be working on a 30-second round, but no break. When we finish the 30 seconds, we transition straight into the next exercise. All right? All right, we have about 10 more seconds. Let me start it up. No weights for round 1. Are you ready? I have the timer. Come to me in 5, 4. Good job. Legs hip width. 30-second isometric hold. Come down. Hold it. Just 30 seconds. Suck the belly in. Now keep that chest lifted. We're going to transition from one exercise to the next, no breaks, okay, until we're done all 3 exercises. All right, a UFC. Put the right knee down, left knee down, right leg up. Now the left. 30 seconds. You want to stay as low as possible. And you're just going to tap that leg. Make sure you're alternating. Good job. 10 more seconds here. Come on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, stand it up, right leg straight back. It's almost like a deadlift hold. Yeah, warrior 3. Try and get that leg to hip height. Just hold it there. That's it, come on. Just a 30-second hold. Five more seconds and we're going to do a single leg deadlift. That right leg is going to go back. 2, 1, stand. 30 seconds, single leg deadlift. Your own pace on these timed exercises. Find your balance. That's part of it. Part of it is finding that balance. Up and down, come on. Single time, move that leg. 10 more seconds. Come with me. 5 more seconds. Keep going, work that balance. Good job, switch it out. Other side, single leg deadlift hold. Square that hip. Yes, find that. Part of it is finding the balance and holding it. Excellent. I know it's challenging. You do what you can. Lose your balance, you just come right back. I know. In 3, 2, 1, single leg deadlift. Balance. Part of it, that left leg comes up. Your own pace, up and down. Now, part of the reason why balance works is because you have to use the muscle in its completely extended state to increase balance, and that strengthens it. Come on, nearly there, nearly there. All right, right leg back, crescent. So that leg is straight, and you want that left knee in line with the left hip. 30-second hold. Now, the next exercise is really good for strengthening the knee. The downside, if you've got knee pain, you need to make the movement smaller, okay? That's really important. So we're going to tilt forward and back, but if you have knee pain, don't tilt so much forward, okay? Let's go. Forward and back, 30 seconds. How far forward depends on your ability, depends on your balance. Come on, guys, with me. We're nearly there. You got a minute rest after this. 10 more seconds. It's not about speed here, it's about range. Good, switch it out, crescent, other side. Let's go, 30 seconds. Come back, get a minute after this, come on. Come on, transitions need to be a little quicker. Make sure that right knee is in front of that right hip. That back left leg is straight. Woo, I'm sweating, my glasses sliding down my face. That's how you know you're working. Again, watch out, right? We're gonna do that same tilting. I want you to try and stay as low as possible. 30 seconds tilt, let's go. Forward and back. How much is up to you? Yeah, feel it out. Remember, you have knee pain, not so far forward. Very good to strengthen the knee. Again, the muscles in complete flex, okay? And it's working on balance. Let's go. 5 more seconds. Good job, rest. 1 minute break, wipe, drink. Round 2 is going to be a little longer, and it includes the one weight. Catch your breath. So for round 2, it's going to be a little longer because we're adding in extra singles, okay? If at any point you want to put the weight down, go right ahead. Round 2 is going to be a little bit longer. All right, we have 20 seconds left before we begin round 2. Take another sip. Wipe your face. Pick up your weight. Starting with the squats, so we have 1 minute single squats. Weight at the chest. Let's go. Now your own pace. Yeah, single time. All the way down and up. This is 1 minute here. So if you feel like you can go deeper, go ahead. Feel like you can go faster, go ahead. Yeah, your workout. That's it. Beautiful. Up and down. 30 more seconds. Now again, you want to lose the weight? Go ahead. Nice deep squat for me. All right, 10 more seconds and we're heading into the sequence that you know, the isometric, then the UFC. 3, 2, 1, down and hold, 30 seconds. Remember, no break until we're done this round. The transitions are part of the time. Want to get rid of the weight? Go ahead. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, left leg down, UFC. Alternate. Stay as low as you can. That's it. Working that muscle. Yeah? in a range we're not used to at the bottom. 10 more seconds. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. Stand it up. 1 minute. Deadlifts. Remember, butt back, chest up. Come on. This is your longest round. Breathe. "30 more seconds here. Up and down. Come with me. Bend those knees as you need to. Push the butt back, chest forward. "10 seconds and we're heading into that isometric hold, right leg up, okay? Work on the balance here. In 3, 2, 1, set up your balance. Woo, yeah, challenge. Can always get rid of that weight. Stay focused. Woo. See that? I lose my balance, it comes straight back into it. Come on. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Single leg deadlift. That right leg. Gotta face that clock. It's okay if you lose your balance. It's okay. Slow it down. Take your time. Your own pace. That's it. Come on. 10 more seconds here. 3, 2, just deadlifts. 1 minute. That's it. Chest forward, butt back. Bend the knees so you can really stretch that hamstring. You're stretching that hamstring so you can pull into that contraction. That's it. Come on. Remember, you can get rid of that weight anytime you need to. Good. We're at the 30-second mark here. We have 30 seconds left. Your pace. Ten more seconds. We're going into that isometric hold, left leg back. 3, 2, 1. Set it up. Isometric hold. It's going to get tight. That's the point. Balance. Focus. Breathe. Is that left leg back? As high as you can lift it. 3, 2, 1. Single leg deadlift on that left leg. Come on. That's it, come on. You got this. You got this. 10 more seconds and we go into single lunges. Three, 2, 1. Right leg back. Single lunges, 1 minute. Last set. Whew. Saw that wobble. Lost my balance there for a little bit. That's okay. Balance sometimes becomes harder as you become more tired. Your own pace, up and down. Now, I'm building range in my lunge, so I'm tapping my knee to the ground each time. Maybe you can. Remember, there should be no pain here. Maybe tightness, maybe tiredness, but no pain. Come on. "15 seconds and we go into that hold. 3, 2, 1. Set up that hold. Back leg straight. 30 seconds. Now, if you need to come a little higher, go ahead. Okay? But the aim is to try and stay as low as you can. Now, watch out for that knee. If you have knee pain, put the weight down. Okay? Tilting forward and back. 30 seconds. Oof. Not easy. Ten seconds. Good job. Switch it out. 1 minute lunges, legs back. Let's go. Come on. 2 minutes and you get your break. Down and up. Whew. I know. I'm tired too. Come on. Heading into the isometric. 3, 2, 1. Set it up. 30 seconds. That's me resting. Come up higher if you need to. It's okay. Tilt forward. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. You got a minute break. Ten seconds. Balance, balance. Good. 1 minute break. Whew. Get rid of that weight. You don't need it for round 3. Wipe, drink. Your last round with the legs. You feeling that? Stay standing for me. Stay moving. All right, 30 seconds left to break. Now round 3 is exactly like round 1. Okay, this round is only 5 minutes. I think. I can't keep track right now. It should only be 5 minutes. All right, take another sip. We have 10 seconds. Now, if you're feeling positively strong, pick up the weight. All right. I want to maximize on technique. Down and hold. 30-second isometric. Come on. Come on. We're doing this to time. That really helps with us knowing where we rest and where we don't rest. Okay? 10 seconds, we head into the UFC. Remember to alternate which knee goes down first, all right? You can start with the right or the left. That means you come up with the right or the left, and then you go down with the other side. Let's go, UFC. Your own pace. You want to stay as low as possible. This helps with mobility on the ground. Come on, 10 more seconds. Well, 10 more seconds now. Come on. We're heading into that isometric deadlift in 3, 2, stand it up. Right leg back, isometric deadlift. Hold it. Whew, balance. Come on. Come with me. I know. How high up is that leg? Can you lift it so that the heel is in line with the hip? Make sure your right hip is dropped down and not opened out. 10 more seconds and we head into the single leg deadlift. Focus on just using your right leg. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Balance. Now, if you need to bend the knee, go ahead. Yeah. If you need to go slower, go ahead. Ten more seconds and we head into the other isometric. 3, 2, 1. Set up your other isometric. Left leg back. Hold it. Come on. Part of the time is setting up. Let's go. Come on. I know it's a challenge because you're tired. That's the point. Drop that left hip. Make sure you're not opening up. Lift that left heel. Make sure it's in line with the hip. 10 more seconds and we do the single leg. Come with me. 3, 2, 1. Your own pace. Focus on that right leg working. That's it. Come with me. Balance. It's okay. It's okay if you lose your balance. Just come right back into it. Yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just have to keep striving. 3, 2, 1. Set up in that crescent. Right leg straight. Left knee in line with the left hip. Make sure that hip is dropped and facing forward. Try and get it low as you can. Low as you can, but holding it, right? Anybody can come real low for a second. It's not the point. It's to hold it. Yeah, it's to let the muscle warm up and get tight. We're going to start the lean in 3, 2, 1. Up to you how much you lean forward. So I realize with the weight, I really need to build some strength here. Yeah, I don't know about you. Did you feel the same? Not an exercise we do often, but I need to add it in. 10 more seconds here. Come on. Come with me. Remember, watch out for that knee. If you have knee pain, don't lean so far forward. In 3, 2, 1, set up the other side. Isometric crescent. So your left leg is straight, right knee is in front of the right hip. Come on. Come on, guys. 8 seconds already gone by. 10. Yes, that's it. Come as low as you can for me. Come on, attempt. It shouldn't be a walk in the park. This is it, and you get your 1 minute break and we are done the legs. 3, 2, tilt forward and back, let's go. 30 seconds here. You got a 1 minute break and we have finished legs. Come on, you got this. Come with me. How far forward? Up to you. Depends on your knee, depends on your range, depends on your strength, your mobility, your flexibility, how well you slept. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute break. Whew, that was tough. All right, catch your breath. Oh, well done. Walk it out for me, wipe, drink. How are you feeling? Woo, deep in that hip, huh? How about you? All right, guys, we're heading to the upper body. All right, by try, back, shoulders. 20 more seconds of rest. Take another sip of water for me. Ten seconds. Pick up those upper body weights. All right, we're not doing this to time. We're doing this to rep. We have 10. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, 10 bicep curls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Step the right leg forward, tilt forward. Elbows high. 10 extension with the triceps. 10, 9, 8. Lift those wrists as high as possible. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Stand tall. Switch your legs out. Left leg forward. Come forward. Flies. Let's go. 10. Squeeze the shoulder blades. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand tall. Keep your legs hip width apart. Tilt forward. 10 rows. 10, 9, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand tall, side raise, elbows bent. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Overhead press. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 30-second rest. Get rid of the weights. Round 2, same thing. All right, 10 seconds to begin. Pick up your weights. 5, 4, 3, 2, 10 biceps. 10, 9, 8, 7, come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right leg forward. Elbows back and high. Lift those wrists. Give me an extension. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand tall. Switch out the legs. Fly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand tall, legs hip width apart. Rows. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand tall, side raise, elbow bent. Overhead press. This is it. Good job. 30-second break. The alarm is going to go off. We have one more round of arms. Catch your breath. The last round of arms, same thing. Focus on technique. All right. Whew. 10 seconds, pick up your weights. Last round, the alarm's gonna go and we're gonna go through it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10 biceps. Good job, triceps. Lift those wrists. Good job, stand tall, switch out the legs. Fly, both hands together. Stand tall, legs hip width apart. Single row. That's it. 2 more exercises, side raise. Overhead press. Good job. Get rid of the weights. You are done. All right. 30-second break. Then we do some standing abs, and then we do our flexibility, mobility, grow your flow, cool down. All right? White drink. You did a fantastic job. Now for the standing abs, I want you to think about isolating the pelvis, okay? And moving from the belly button up. Want to suck that belly button in. All right, legs hip width, hands on hips. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we want a nice long torso, so we want to suck the abdominals in, brace it to the spine. We want to isolate the hips, both hip bones are facing me, and we want to move from the belly button. Imagine if you were in sand. Yeah? Come on. You can't move this lower part. And you're trying to like wiggle your way out. Come on. 1 minute here. We're past the halfway mark already. We're going to lift that left hand up. Good. Now, just the left leg. You want to tilt to the side and you want to drive that knee as high as you can and that elbow as low as you can. 30 seconds here. Come on. Want a nice squeeze on that left side. Nice job, back to the beginning. 30 seconds here. Moving from the belly button up. Ready, right side. Stretch it. Part of the contraction comes from stretching out that muscle. The more you stretch, the bigger range of motion you have, the more you work the ends, the origin and the insertion of that muscle. Yeah? It's where the muscle attaches to bone. 30 seconds here, come on. Make it big, lift that knee. And 30 seconds back to the beginning. And we are done our 3 minutes standing abs. Want to make it a little harder? Lift those hands to shoulder height. Make a cup in your hand. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, good. Tap it out for me. All right, grow your flow, a little bit of yoga inspired stretching, 10 minutes of cool down. A little longer than I normally do, yeah? And let's see how it works out. We need to take our shoes off. So what I'd like you to do is open your legs, release your hips. Other direction. Good. And now I'd like you to take off your shoe, balancing. So shoes and socks. Don't rush it. Take your time here. Take those shoes off. Take those socks off. Don't fall over. Good. And when you've done that one, go to the other side. Excellent job. And then when you're ready, come back to me. Legs hip width apart, big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Let your head hang. One more time, big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. That's it, nice job. Beautiful, roll those shoulders back. Roll those shoulders forward. Nice, good. All right, all your weight on your left leg. Take your right knee up into your chest. Rotate the ankle. Other direction. Good, flex and point the toe. Good, open it out. So, left hip facing me. Gonna grab that foot and tuck it in. Tree pose. Now, you wanna make sure that that knee is out to the side. You're opening up that right hip. If you can, prayer arms up over your head. Excellent. Arms back, down. Now, without touching your foot, lift it back up. Tilt forward into that warrior three. Take your time here. Balance. Good. And then slowly bring both hands to the ground. Lift that right foot even higher so you're in a forward split. Good job. Bring that right foot down to the ground. Drop your butt into a deep primal squat. Good. Hands flat on the ground. You're going to straighten your legs as much as possible without lifting your palms off the ground. Butt up, head down. And release, primal squat. Beautiful. Head down, butt up. And release into primal squat. That's it. Drop your knees forward so you're on all fours. Beautiful. All right, right leg straight back, calf stretch. Excellent. That's it. Out to the side. Quite similar to that warm-up, right? But now we're holding those stretches. Good job. And now forward. You can have it either on the outside or between your hands, however you need to. Drop that hip flexor. Good job. All right, now we're going to do a split forward fold. We're going to lift that back knee off the ground and straighten both our legs. Butt up, head down. Split forward fold. Come as close to that leg. Lengthen that torso as you can.
Bring that left leg forward. Forward fold. Bend your knees, roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. 2 more times like that. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Roll it. Beautiful. Roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Last time. Big inhale. Forward fold. That's it. One vertebrae at a time. Excellent. Roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders forward. Put all your weight into your right leg. Lift your right knee. Good. Grab it in. Pull it in tight. Rotate the ankle. Other direction. Point and flex. Don't fall over. Take it out to the side. Now assist. Tree pose. Find your balance. You want to push in with your right leg and push in with your left foot. So your left foot should be pushing against your femur, the bone inside of your thigh. When you're ready, hands up. Lift the chest if you can. Excellent. Hands back to the chest. Without assisting the foot, release it. Tilt forward. Warrior 3. Slowly place the hands on the ground. Bring the forehead to the shin. Split forward fold. Excellent job. Bring that leg down. All right, forward fold into primal squat. So give me 3 of these. Butt down, head up. Head down, butt up. 1. And release. Primal squat. And up. Forward fold. 2. One more time. So these movements, these slow movements here are for mobility and they help with increasing flexibility. Good job. Hold it here, primal. That's it. A second, right here. Can you get prayer arms? Elbows to the inside of the knees. And release. Come on to all fours. Left leg. Take it straight back. Stretch out that calf. Excellent job. Take it out to the side. Bring your butt as low as you can. If you want to fold completely forward, that's okay too. Play around with these moves. And now we're going to bring that left leg all the way forward, either to the outside of the left hand or in between the 2 hands. I like it in between. It gives me a little bit more balance. Excellent. Hold it right there. All right, we're going to lift that back knee, lift the butt, split forward fold. So straighten both legs, butt up, head down. Bring that right leg forward so you're in forward fold. Grab behind, stretch out. Excellent job. Roll it up. That's it. Excellent. Big inhale. Clasp the hands, palms to the ceiling. Lift the chin. Now arch the back, open. Good job. And release. Clasp the hands, pull down. Arch the back again, but this time, keep your eyes on me. Beautiful. And then just swing it out. Left to right, right to left. Let the hands kind of have their own life. Good. That's it. All right. Bring your feet together. Make sure your big toes are touching for me, please. Big inhale. Exhale. Stay standing. Big inhale. Exhale. One more time. And big inhale, clasp the hands up, together, down to the heart of the matter. Thank you so much for working out with me. Ooh, I think I just made it. Thank you so much for working out with me. As always, a complete pleasure. See you on the flip side. Let me stop this. Bye.